Welcome to Defect of the Month, and I'd like to look at low temperature solder again, but as it relates to manual soldering and desoldering. Now, one of the big problems we have with low temperature solders is having materials which have a flux core. Now, some companies who have adopted the use of the technology have used successfully gels and liquid flux. But in all honesty, really the cored wire is what you ideally want to source. Now, I've used a couple of suppliers over the last few years successfully, but again, it's still a learning curve on using the materials. In the hand soldering operation, if you use solid wire and flux or gel, you have to change the way in which you use the materials to get successful results. You can get joints that meet the minimum requirement of the IPC based on existing standards, but with cored wire it's a lot easier. So I would spend time trying to investigate suppliers that have cored wire available. Now, there are companies that don't worry. They're using low temperature materials for their manufacturing process, but do second stage assembly and rework and repair using traditional lead-free alloys like tin copper and tin silver copper, which are readily available in wire format. But if you want to be common across all of the materials you're using on a particular product, so don't mix alloys, then really look out for the cored wires. Now, one of the issues I'd like to mention with the cored wire with hand soldering, desoldering or general rework is the brittleness of the material. And we have found that natural aging does occur with the materials, not to affect their performance but their handleability. So going from brand new material, which is brittle when you're handling it, to becoming more brittle over a few months. So there is some research looking at the characteristic and why this occurs at the moment. It shouldn't stop you using the materials, but it's just something to be aware of. Thank you for watching Defect of the Month, and hopefully you'll enjoy some of the other 100 videos that I have on my YouTube channel.